This year is especially meaningful for us because we are celebrating the 40th anniversary of Small Farms Week.
There are a lot of organizations and there are a lot of things that come and go within a 40-year span, but we have endured in the state of North Carolina and we continue to celebrate small farmers.
How has winning Small Farm of the Year impacted your farm?
It's given us tremendous exposure. We've had the opportunity to share our growing practices, and it's been a really honor, and we still haven't gotten over the shock that we won.
But it's also been a great opportunity to just meet so many people that share a mindset, that are committed to the food system and improving access to fresh, healthy food for our community.
The Extension at A&T chose 3 regional Small Farmers of the Year, 1 from the East region, 1 from the West, and 1 from the New Urban region.
The 2026 Small Farmer of the Year.
Agriculture has become, as you heard in our video, has become my therapy. I tell people every day, they ask me, hey, how you able to get out here every single day? You do this? No, I don't. And I can't do it without you.
Let's go! Let's go!
So Anthony just gave the word relationship. So you guys do realize that everything that drives the economy is based on relationships, right? So everywhere that you go, you build the relationships, you become familiar with who it is that you're working with, also the product that you're producing. Again, the goal is to become the best that you can.
At some point as farmers, we all rely on the use of rainfall as source of irrigation. Now the big question is, does our soil hold the water or it loses it? So that is what we want to show you. And this simple demonstration is going to show us the effect of different soil management practices on soil infiltration, soil erosion, nutrient loss, water holding capacity,